Hey guys, we're going to do a quick walk around here on this 99 Td5. Just kind of showcasing a little bit of the interior and exterior. It's a really clean build. It's done very well. Headliner and all. Got your big screen there for backup camera and Apple CarPlay. Dash is in great condition also. All the doors work perfectly. We replaced, put new seat belts in it. All the doors open and close really nicely. Full-size spare on the rear. Take a look at the engine compartment here. Everything's nice and tidy. Alright. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. You can also inquire for a shipping quote via contact seller button. I'll be happy to help you out. Good luck with the rest of the auction.